Hi again. So today was technically supposed to be day 6, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Day 6 is where you went out today, places you love, and places you want to visit. I didn't really go anywhere today. It was Easter, and my family isn't religious. We still, have a family dinner and everything for it. So I just stayed in with my family and had dinner. Um, Places I love. Um, I love anywhere where Joey is. No, it's a stupid answer. No, I mean, it's a true answer, but it probably sounds dumb. Um, really, of all the places I've been, my favorite place is Salem, Massachusetts. Um, I just think it's a beautiful, beautiful town with so much history, and I just, I just love it. Like, I love being in Salem. I feel like I'm home there. Um, Places I want to visit. Um, I don't know. I really, really want to go to Norway someday. I love like Norse culture and the language and history. It's just all really interesting to me. Um, I also would really like to go to England and Scotland and Ireland and see all that. I think that'd be really cool. In Germany, I mean, my heritage is German, so I think it'd be really cool to go see Germany one day. Um, but I think that's it. Bye.